We are back at home for another follow-up review to the Hand Held Dyno ignition system for the older bikes, in particular this KZ1000. The install went as described, very simple, very straightforward, everything plugged in where it should. The only exception, if it can even be called that, is it comes with the 3.5 millimeter bullet connectors, and commonly on these bikes they're 4 millimeter. That wasn't a problem. I had some 4 millimeters in stock. I just switched that out. But the unit comes with plenty of wiring to do everything needed. I've left it intact with all of its length under the tack-free tape, so that can be undone and corrected, because this bike is going to get rewired down the road. But I wanted to check out its functionality from the dyno testing and real world road testing. Obviously drove it home, but it was a very short distance, so we're going to get it out, see how she responds. I'm expecting nothing but the best. The dyno test went well, and while we're on that subject, it may not have been clarified that we had over a dozen, maybe more runs on the engine. I don't know anything about this engine, but that's okay. And we got her from an early 82, which was expected because of its lack of tuning, up to a quality 97 horsepower. Made several runs in that 97 horsepower range. Felt that we had the best tune that it was going to get. I predicted 100, and it didn't get there. Once we got to the point where it tapered off and was going no higher, we bolted on the Hand Held Dyno. And the first pull, she produced 98. And you might say, well, that could be atmospheric, that could be many things, and we will agree. The plugs got cleaned off. They were was running very rich. Based upon our mapping, we did all the maps. We tried different ones. We found the one we liked and cleaned off the plugs with another run of the 98. Instantly went back to it, and she went right up to 100 horsepower. So say what you will, it wasn't going past 97. She now makes 100 clean, and I would be willing to bet if we continued to put poles on her, which I didn't want to do because I don't know anything about this engine, it would have crept higher, I can guarantee you. So it did produce, it did function well. We spoke of the Dyna S in some text. Quality product, but they've been around for decades. We have a new player, the Hand Held Dyno, and what makes this so nice is its functionality. They have a app for your phone with many inputs available to you if you choose to go that route with the tuner edition. I myself will probably have a couple inputs coming to allow me to see air, fuel, and a few other things, but I believe you can put as many as 5, 6, maybe more. They will tell you the details. And I'm also looking forward to working with them to get some different mapping. The one we're using works well, but we feel we could change the advanced to come in a little sooner and get a little bit more performance out of it. But that's down the road. We're happy with what we've done, and we're going to do some road testing local, because that's really what it's all about now. We got the horsepower to prove the test that it works, and we just want to give her some rideability and see how she performs out on the road.